So there were some questions of how to use this dispenser, how to start. So this is generally how you get it when it's packed, yeah. So what you need to do is take off steerage, take off the rubber gasket, and now take the paste, remove the plug, move the paste in. So you see now it doesn't go in. It's not deep enough. So you need to screw the piston back. And now you will see this matches exactly inside the barrel. You see? So now you take the cable tie it up, and you're ready to roll. You can work. So the second option is another paste. This is about the volume you get it from the shop. So it's the same thing. Press it in, place the cable tie, and you can start working. Now the second is when you are using something like this, you can use this plug. So the same thing fits in exactly, and you can start using it.